Hello everyone, I am Angry Bird. Welcome to the stream. Okay, today I have a new project Hyperboot and now we are connected on Gate Live. Today I have a new project Hyperboot Gate Launch Pool Spot GUSD Stocking in project hashtag 308 Hyperboot boot stock GUSD or boot to claim airdrops. Okay, Gate launch pool now for GUSD stocking and will launch project 308 Hyperboot. Users can stock GUSD or boot to share 6,500,000 boot tokens for free. Airdrop rewards are distributed early. And now guys, thank you so much everyone for joining my streaming. Please share and like my streaming everyone. Okay, please share and like my streaming everyone. Thank you so much for your joinings. Thank you so much. Now it's time to add the red packet for my viewers who are here to support me. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay guys, now I will add the red packet for you people. Now I will tell you Gate launch pool now for GUSD stocking and will launch project 308 Hyperboot. Users can stock GUSD or boot to share 6,500,000 boot tokens for free. Airdrop rewards are distributed early. Mint GUSDT, the link is also here. Deposit GUSDT, the link is also here, and here is the trade GUSD in USDT market via, the link is also here. Goku Bro, Gate users, Lucky Trayer, thank you so much. Okay guys, I will add one more red packet for you people. Okay, I will one more red packet for you people. Thank you so much. Thank you so much guys for joining my streaming. Please like and share my streaming. It means a lot for me. Okay. Okay guys, look at this now. Airdrop details. Here is the airdrop details. Stocking period September 3 2025 at 13 UTC to 24th September 2025 at 13 UTC, and here is the total stocking reward 6,005. Okay, pointer year hunt. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much for joining my streaming. Please like and share my streaming everyone. Please share and like my streaming. And here is stocking pool and the total stocking reward price pool per hour, price pool per hour, and the price pool hourly rewards cap per user. And now guys, here is the stock to earn now. Unlock method, unlock 100%. Gate launch pool allows users to stock in advance. You can stock your zest before the official launch of the project. To ensure, here is the Mr. Leo King. Hello dear, how are you? Please share and like my streaming. Mr. Leo King, hello dear, how are you? Okay, and here is the reward distribution. The system will distribute token rewards to users sport accounts on any or basic. Okay, thank you I merchant, thank you so much dear for following me dear. Okay, based on the proportion of assets they have stocked and Gate launch pool FAQ. How to participate? Now I will tell you how to participate. Firstly, log into your Gate account and complete identity verification. Then navigate to launch pool, hold at least 0.05 GUSD or one boot, click stock. Okay, and here is the project information. Hyperboot is an AI powered on chain contract trading terminal that aggregates data and execution across multiple DEX. A crypto filer. Thank you so much dear for joining my streaming, and thank you for your comment. Please share and like my streaming also dear. Look at my profile, and then go to the scare and like my all posts and share my all posts with your friends. Sharian, Octopus, great user full of blessings. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much. And now guys, here is the Gate Labs investment disclosure. Gate Labs did not invest in Hyperboot, Boot and the nodes, and now I will tell you about the nodes. Nodes is Gate Launchpool is an innovative stocking airdrop platform where users can stock. Okay, users can stock early airdrops of trending and newly listed tokens by stocking GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, GUSD or other tokens with low entry barriers and high APR. It is the ultimate. It is the ultimate. It is an easy way to capture the market opportunities. And the second one, please complete identity verification. Here is the comment of I merchant. Hello dear, how are you? Thank you so much for joining my streaming. Thank you so much dear. And now guys, here is the next. Please complete identity verification before participating in the launch pool to enhance the security of your account and the assessed. And please follow the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited, which will result in disqualification of the rewards. Okay, and the fourth is in case of discrepancies between the translated and the English version shall prevail. Merchant says hello everyone. Hello dear, hello, how are you merchant? How are you dear? Thank you so much gate user for following me. Thank you so much. Okay, now I will tell you about gate reserves all rights to the final explanation. And the sixth one, this event is not affiliated. Okay, streaming from Nigeria. Okay, it is very great merchant. It is very great. Samuel, thank you Muhammad Zayed. Thank you so much dear for joining my streaming. Thank you everyone for continuously joining me. Okay. Here is the gate user CD. Hello dear, how are you? How are you? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining my streaming and thank you for your comment. I am merchant. Thank you so much dear. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Suicraft, thank you so much Suicraft for joining my streaming. How are you Suicraft? Okay guys, now here is the next. Users is in the United Kingdom and other restricted location cannot access the services including the participation in this event. Okay, in this event, game or the competition. See the user agreement for further details on restricted locations. And here is the risk warning. As a blockchain startup still in its early stages, the project may involve significant risk in various aspects including operation, underlying technology and the legal and the regulatory environment. And here is the understanding blockchain startups and assessing their inherent risk require advanced technical and financial knowledge. And the next is due to influence from technology, regulatory framework, market conditions and other factors. The project you participate in may experience significant price volatility with prices potentially rising or falling sharply. And due to the issue related to the underlying technology of the project or the gear trading platform, you may be unable to withdraw all or part of your assets from the project. And EU, thank you so much dear EU for joining my streaming. Thank you so much. Okay, here is the next Cryptocurrency projects are high risk by nature, and cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile. The project team does not provide any form of margin and price commitment or downside protection. Please ensure you fully understand the risk and are capable of bearing them. Before participating, Get User FB, thank you so much for following me, dear. And while the platform strongly warns of potential risk, it cannot assume liability for any investment decisions or provide any guarantee or compensation. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. I really like it because very new viewers are here for watching me. It means a lot for me. It means a lot for me. Hello, everyone. Please share and like. Hello, everyone. Thank you for your joining. It means a lot for me. It means a lot for me. 1995, I can't understand. What are you saying? I can't understand. If you have any question and if you want to say anything, then tell me in English language, please, dear. Then tell me in English language. Muzammil, thank you. Naveed, thank you. Gate user, thank you so much. 13 source of wealth art, thank you so much, everyone, for joining my streaming. Okay, here is the gate team, 3 September 2025, and the gateway to crypto trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on the gate. Stock action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 USDT in welcome rewards. Invite friends and earn a 40 percentage commission. Stay connected. Visit the official website. Download the app desktop. Follow us on Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram community to discuss trending topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insights and transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of reserves. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for your joining. Thank you so much. Okay, now I will tell you, I will move on the next page. Here is the boot ongoing. Here is the trade button. If you want to trade, then trade on it. Okay, and here is the Hyperboot. Is an AI powered on chain contract trading terminal that aggregates data and execution across multiple DEX. Okay, enabling users to track smart money and whales, detect market signals, and perform intelligent copy trading with greater speed and precision by combining on-chain data, AI-driven whale behavior analysis, and social signal detection. Hyperboot enables users to identify trading whales. MasterPie, thank you so much, MasterPie. Strategy Capital, thank you so much. Philos, thank you, Gate User. And Gate User F6, thank you, everyone. Starchy, thank you, Venom. Thank you so much, dear Venom. How are you? Thank you, everyone. Dinimalson, thank you so much, dear, for joining my streaming. Goku Bro, thank you, Goku Bro. Khan, thank you, Khan. How are you, Khan? Okay, now guys, here is the Hyperboot enables users to identify trading whales and capturing high value opportunities on chain faster, smarter, and with greater precision. Here is the total reward, 6,500,000 boots. The starting time is 3/9/2025 at 18, and the end time is 24/9/2025 at 18. The ends in 6 days, 3 hours, 56 minutes, and 16 seconds. And here is the pool. Look at the pool. Total stocking rewards 4,550,000 boot. The mining period is 21 days. The total stock is 34,540,445.06 boot, and the participants is 37,198. The prize pool hourly reward cap is for gate user 695. Thank you so much, dear, for following me, dear. Thank you so much. It means a lot for me. Okay, and here is the individual hourly reward cap for 51.38 boot and the APR approximately okay 770.24 and the individual stocking cap is 200,000 boot. Okay, thank you so much Muzammil, gate user 43, gate user B3, gate user 12. Thank you so much, dear, for joining my streaming. Now here is the overview. Look at the overview, and it seems very unique. Okay, and now here is the overview. What is Hyperbot? Hyperbot AI powered a gateway to all perps, DEX unified entry for data, whales, and copy trading. At the rate boot CA, the link, the website also here, and here is the core vision. Hyperboot represent an integrated AI ecosystem engineered to address the fundamental challenges in cryptocurrency trading, fragmented information execution, delays, and strategic complexity by seamlessly integrating real time on chain and okay, on chain. And now I will tell you analytic with AI driven execution. We enable traders across all expertise levels to achieve institutional grade efficiency. Then the triple pillar architecture. Hyperboots unified platform provides comprehensive trade capabilities through three interconnected layers and module, AI trading terminal, and then core innovation aggregates liquidity from multiple DEX and execute AI optimized strategies, then user impact one click optimized trade, routing across 20 plus DEX in the near future. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Divanti, thank you so much, dear, for joining my streaming. And here is the Hyperboot dashboard, machine learning powered market intelligence engine. The user impact is real time detection of whale activities, anomalies, and alpha signal 3 seconds faster than the market or copy trading boot institutional grade strategy replication, instant mirroring of the Aster Hyperliquid top performing traders with quantitative risk control. Or for details, Hyperboot dashboard, I will show it if you want. If you want to say, then I will show you one more thing. Here is the Hyperboot dashboard. Is the fast moving cryptocurrency market data driven decisions making has become the core competitive advantages for the traders, investors, and institutions. Yet most users still rely on the fragmented information sources, struggling to efficiently capture critical signals and make precise judgments amidst massive on-chain transactions, whale movements, market sentiment, and derivatives data. Here is the Hyperboot dashboard. Enter Hyperboot dashboard, an AI enhanced real time analytic platform built specifically for crypto markets. We integrate multi dimensional markets data with machine learning powered intelligence to deliver real time market monitoring, track price anomalies, funding rates, open interest, and other key metrics. Then whale behavior analysis identify large transfers, position changes, and potential market manipulation signals. Then smart contract insights Decode DeFi protocol exchange and large wallet on the chain interaction, then real data dashboard, customized chart, trend analysis, and historical backtesting. Hyperpool does not just provide data, it delivers actionable trading intelligence. Whether you are a day trader, long term trader, or institutional analyst, our platform gives you a competitive edge. This section details the dashboard, core feature, technical architecture, and practical applications to help you leverage this powerful tool and gain first mover advantage in the crypto markets. And here is the discover. Firstly, I will show you the hyperboot, and now here is the discover. Track top performers. In the discover module, hyperboot AI algorithm identify and analyze high performing traders, helping you find market winners worth following. And the next is how to assess the discover module. Visit Hyperboot official website, click discover in the navigation bar, then enter the trader analytic dashboard. Trader metrics breakdown. Hyperboot evaluates traders across multiple dimensions, filter and track your using these key indicators and win rate. Definition percentage of the profitable traders historically 75 profitable trades out of 100. How to use prioritize trade with 60% win rate, avoid consistently losing accounts, and then portfolio value USDT. Okay, USD definition total assets under management denominated in USDT. And next is how to use larger accounts 100k plus USDT typically employ more stable strategies than realize PNL definition total profit loss for close position. How to use follow traders with sustained probability position PNL, then lost trade time stamp definition most recent trade execution time. How to use in active trader no recent traders. Then my indicate abundant strategies. And the next is 5 average holding period definition typically position duration 2 hours is equal to scalper 7 days swing trader. Then how to use match traders whose style aligns with your preferred time frame. Then open positions definition current live position long short leverage entry prices. How to use gauge market sentiment multiple whales going long ethereum potential bullish signal. Then optimizing your trading with discover filter for high win rate traders 60 percentage. Then analyze their open position alignment with the market trends, a match holdings period to your trading style, and regularly verify activity, avoid zombie accounts. And then pro tips focus on whale traders, portfolio value 100k USDT, then compare multiple trader strategies, avoid single point point dependence. And now next I will show you about hyperboot 1 million prize pool campings. Hmm? Hyperboot is 1 million prize pool campings. Look at the links, and it is the official website of the hyperboot 1 million prize pool campings. Thank you so much, Taskia, Muzammil, Gate User 3E, thank you. Philosoph, thank you, dear. Gate User F6, thank you so much, dear, for joining my streaming. Thank you so much, everyone. Here is the last Hyperboot AI powered a gateway to all perp decks, unified entry for data, whales, and copy trading. And here is about Telegram boot and Telegram mini app beta. And here is the boot token contract is also mentioned here, uh, and it is on Binance, GateSpot, and Coinex, MaxSpot, Albank, Gate, Perpetual, and here is the Coinex, Polynex, and Max Perpetual. And here is the hot addresses. Look at the hot addresses. um, Account total value is 44,864.60, and the trade counts is 109, and the win rate is 91.74 percentage. Here is the all tags: bullish, god of war, king of the bands, treasury keeper. And here is the next account total value, caution investors. Here is the total value 836,890.58, or the PNL is 32,813.3 USDT, or the trades count is 50,739. And the next is uh, account total value 33,593, 652.33 Flasher, thank you Skyfall, Nigia, thank you Gate user 838, HF Shakib, thank you Gate users, Kaya, thank you so much everyone, thank you Bandan Lage, thank you EU for joining my streaming dear. Why? Yes, sir. Thank you so much, dear, for joining my streaming. BB Retro Style. Thank you so much, dear, for joining my streaming. EU and Philosoph again join. Thank you, Master Pi. Thank you so much, dear, for joining my streaming. And now the next is traders second brain. Let machines understand the heartbeat of the market and use a logarithm to foresee the flow of funds. AI powered lightning capture is 0.3s real time sniper for hyperliquid on chain. Then on chain anomalies, instant alerts, from the Telegram, 200 plus conditional order templates, then strategy, arsenal, drag and drop, high frequency, boot builder, visual back testing with win rate, analytic, long short signal amplifier, boost strategy, execution efficiency 18x. And here is the copy cache engine, mirror top 10 whales 1/1, auto profit distribution, plus risk circuit breaker, complimentary trial for early signups, and alpha lens. Look at the alpha lens decrypts. Here is the okay. I will stay connected here. Stay connected. I will translate your comment. I will translate your comment here. Okay, I will translate your comment, then answer you, dear. Thank you so much for joining my streaming, Mammy. Thank you so much, Mammy, for joining my streaming, dear. Thank you everyone for your like, comment, and your shares. Okay, now thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Here is the okay. Today the market is not going good. Alpha Lens and Whale Foresights predictive models. a whale for SARS predictive model and detects capital movements 1.5 hours early. And here is the Aster Hyperboot exclusive. Thank you so much everyone, thank you so much for your joinings. Please share and like my streaming, please share and like my streaming. Okay, here is the gate user. Okay guys, just 1 minute are left to open the rare packet, so grab it. Cryptofiler, thank you for joining. Next, Jandre Divanti, uh, thank you so much gate user AE for again joining my streaming dear. Thank you so much. Please share and like my streaming everyone. Please share and like my streaming. And look at these no more features compartmentalization A0 manual closed loop profit engine. And here is the second blind exclusive discount instant binding. Funding rate is for 4% discount. Okay, three-way orders instant fill, multi-order execution, low latency gateway, and smart routing. And here is the zero slippage dynamic scenes clone whale traders, live auto scale position proportionally quick trade and whale operations domain adoption and backed by. Look at this backed by. And here is the website services is also here. Discover Aster perp trade track and monitor copy trading leaderboard docs bot audit report hyperliquid perp trade whales copy trading referral Aster hyperboot event. Visit GitHub. Thank you so much everyone for your joinings. I am very thankful to everyone. Thank you so much for your joinings. Now it's time to say goodbye to everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your joinings. Thank you once again guys.